Hello Curveballs and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Lisa and I am the Curvy Cuban and I focus primarily on artistic eye looks and I like to dupe palettes. Today we are not duping a palette, but we are doing an artistic eye look. This is a group collaboration and we are doing Leprechaun Vomit. So this is my version of a St. Patty's Day look with the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, and kind of looks like a leprechaun vomited all over my face, but in the prettiest possible way because it's my channel. Before we dive into it, don't forget to hit subscribe, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos, and don't forget to check out all the ladies down below and all of their videos in this group collaborative effort. And now, let's get into the video. The vision that I have for this Leprechaun Vomit, or my St. Patrick's Day look, is to do like a rainbow cloud cut crease, because what do you find at the end of a rainbow but a pot of gold? I'm gonna go ahead and start doing some rainbow colors all up in my crease. And I'm gonna go in with the reddest red that I own, and that is in my Morphe 25L Life palette. Conveniently the shade Life. I'm going to start at the front of my eye, which has already been primed with my ABH primer. The only reason I use that over the P. Louise, it is whiter in its hue, therefore providing me with a better pigment payoff. Now, to save space and in lieu of going in with any orange, I'm going to go in with yellow, because yellow and red make orange, and have the orange just kind of fade in with the yellow shade Sunlight from the same palette. And then I'm going to continue with the rest of the rainbow colors throughout. Now comes the fun part. We get to do a whole bunch of cloud cut creases. I'm obviously not going to be able to talk during this part because I really have to concentrate. I have already wiped down my eyes with some makeup remover so I can get the best payoff whenever I go back in with my ABH primer, and in some cases I might be using some white face paint, but just check this out. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken my NYX white eyeliner and I've highlighted the clouds on one side. And now I'm gonna go in with some shimmer shades in the same rainbow colors and kind of shade the other end of the clouds and give them some dimension. And I'm gonna do that with my Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette, which is basically a rainbow palette that's 100% shimmer. Let's start. So I'm not exactly digging my pot of gold, but I have done the best I can. And I'm not even gonna make a pot of gold on the other side. I'm just gonna have some gold. I don't even know if I'm gonna have some gold. I might get rid of it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get rid of it. So I'm going to stop right here with this pot of gold, and I'm going to quickly do the rest of my makeup. And we will be back to see if I can salvage this look by doing something with the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this white eyeliner and kind of outline the pot of gold a little bit. And I think for my eyeliner, I'll stay white. I'm gonna do every color of the rainbow on the bottom portion. And now I'm just having fun with turquoise mascara. I'm gonna go put on my lashes and I will be back for this final look. And this is the vomit of a leprechaun. Here's the final look. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to check out the other ladies down below. Before you leave, don't forget to tap subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Until next time, stay curvy and stay clovers, and I'll see you in a week. Bye!